Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be cutting a simple pillowcase. So you'll be needing 1 yard of cotton material. So first of all, you fold your fabric into 2, just as it is here, and you measure out 16 as you can see, and you also measure out another 27 here, and you will mark. So 27, so this is it. It's very simple and easy to get, and I'll also be showing you how to sew it. Remember, our allowance is included in this measurement. So that is it. So go over to the sewing machine now, and we join this part, and here. Then we'll leave a little opening. It's through this opening we will stuff in all the cotton, the fiber, the wool that you want to put inside the pillowcase. Then we'll now come back. After sewing, I'll come back and show it to you. I've gone ahead to join the pillowcase. I actually use a black thread so that you'll be able to see the stitches very well. So I joined it from here, this way, up to this way, and this way. And this place I left it open. So it's through this place I will stuff in the fiber or the cotton, depending on what I want to use, or depends on what you want to use to fill your pillowcase. So I'll tuck it out like this. Like this. Like this. So this is it now. So I'll go stuffing the fiber, and I'll bring it back to show it to you. So I've gone ahead to stuff the fiber inside the pillow. This is what the fiber looks like. So I've done that. So right now I'll move over to the sewing machine, and I'll seam this part, and that's all for the pillow.